Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. It took me a long time to get this video out to you guys because I've been sick. I'm still sick. You probably can hear it in my voice. This is like week 4 of me being sick. So yeah, I don't know. There's just like a whole bunch of chest congestion and stuff and it sucks. But hopefully I'll get better soon. Anyways, big news, we just hit 50K subscribers, 50,000 subscribers here on the channel, and I am so happy right now. Of course, I'm gonna announce the 50K giveaway winner at the end of the video. That's for a Muggle Magic mystery box with just a whole bunch of Harry Potter stuff in there, as well as a couple items that I made myself. And then I also have the herbology book winner, so yeah, we're gonna announce both of those at the end of the video. However, today in this DIY video, we're going to be making the MACUSA Spell Contraventions map. It tracks illegal spell casting in the USA, and it's just up in the Ministry of Magic, or I'm sorry, the MACUSA office. And this is just a really cool looking map, and I've wanted to do it for a long time. And so here it is, and it's really easy to put together. Basically, I've got some templates that you can just print out, and then it's sort of like in 4 pieces if you're using 11 by 17 paper. If you're using smaller paper, it's going to be more pieces, but basically it's just sort of putting together a small puzzle and gluing it together, pretty much. And they're all square pieces, of course. And they also overlap, so we're gonna get into all that in the DIY. Anyways, go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you're gonna need to make this DIY, as well as the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. First, of course, you need to print the templates. I printed mine on 11 by 17 paper. This is the largest size that I can print on currently. If you can print on larger, I have a full size template. If you somehow have access to a plotter, or if you want to go and like pay to have yours printed or something, I've got the full size template. There's also a smaller 8.5 by 11 size or A4 size template, so it would just include more cutting and more gluing. If you use the 11 by 17 templates, there's only 4 pages. I printed mine single-sided to save on ink. I don't care what the back of this looks like because it's just going up on the wall. As I said, this is going to be a very easy DIY. The only thing that we need to do with these is cut off or trim off all of the white along the edges of the templates. To do that, you could use a paper cutter or a ruler and X-Acto knife. I do have a paper cutter, but not too many people do, so I like to use the ruler and X-Acto knife in my videos, just for people who are going to do it this way and maybe never have, or need some like tips. So anyways, you're going to line up your ruler with the edge that you want to cut, and then just follow along that edge with your X-Acto knife. And that should cut it off pretty straight. And yeah, just keep doing that until you have all of the 4 or however many pieces cut out. And now that we have each piece trimmed, we can start putting this together, and it's basically pretty easy to figure out. I mean, it's just like lining it up and gluing it together. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna put down a piece of white paper underneath before I glue, just so I don't get any glue on my cutting mat. And for this, you can use whatever type of glue you want. I'm gonna use a glue stick because they're easy and they dry fast. And I'm also going to use a separate piece of scrap paper to sort of put right against that edge where this piece of paper ends, so that I know where the glue should go. So now I don't have to be too careful about where I put the glue because I know it's going in the right place, and that this piece of paper is blocking it from getting on any other part of the map. Now we can just line it back up again. There we go. So I've just done the bottom half. I'm gonna do the top half now, and then after that I'll just glue the bottom and top together. And this one's not 100% perfect. Like you can, if you really, really look, you can tell that some of these little black dots here are not perfectly lined up because this whole border is just a whole bunch of tiny little black squares. And I mean, no one's gonna notice that unless they get their eyes like an inch from this and look at it. All right, so now we have the top half and the bottom half. And all we need to do now is line these up and glue them together. Okay, so if you do the bottom half onto the top half, then this little icon right here is like half glued, and there's gonna be a seam right there. If you do it the other way, then you've got like this star having a seam on it and stuff. I'm gonna do the bottom on top of the half of the top. I think that one has the least amount of elements that actually have a seam on them other than just this one icon right here. So that should probably be the best way to go. And I do need to block this off. However, it's pretty wide here, so I'm gonna have to use a few different pieces of paper to do this. There we go, as long as I keep those pieces of paper right where they were. And I don't have a scrap piece of paper long enough to go across the bottom here, so I'm just gonna be careful with that side. I think I'll line up that center icon first, and then go for the rest of the map. All right, and there we have the entire MACUSA Spell Contraventions map. This thing is not small, so yeah, I think it turned out looking pretty good. Let me know what you guys think about it, but yeah, I think it turned out good. You can get one of these from the Vault of Beasts, which is a lot like the Harry Potter film wizardry book, and it has some replicas in there. But yeah, this is not a scan of that or anything. I completely recreated this from scratch based on the map. So it was a lot of work, but I think it was worth it. I really like how it turned out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like a chance at winning the map that I made in this video, there is a giveaway link in the description box below. Also down there, you're gonna find the new 55K subscriber giveaway. This is for the Weasley Twins pop figures, as well as the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes catalog and the Haunted deck. And now to announce the giveaway winners, and we have the Herbology book winner, and the winner for that is Barefoot Gardener. And then I also have the 55K giveaway winner, and this is for a Muggle Magic mystery box. It's got 5 Harry Potter related items in there that I didn't make, but I did get from different subscription boxes throughout the months and months and months that I've been getting them. I just don't have space for everything. So yeah, I'll be putting some of that stuff in there, some pretty cool stuff. And then I also have 2 items that I made myself in that box as well. And the winner is Louis Avina. Congratulations to both of you, and I've sent you both emails with instructions on how you can claim your prize. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.